The BMW 4x4 warning light is a critical indicator that alerts drivers to malfunctions in the xDrive all-wheel drive system. Understanding what this light means can help prevent costly repairs and ensure your safety on the road. The warning light appears in three different states, each indicating a different level of severity. A solid yellow or amber light means the system has detected a malfunction and has disabled the 4x4 functionality. A flashing light indicates an active fault that requires immediate attention, while a red light signals a critical failure that needs immediate service to prevent damage. The BMW xDrive system consists of several key components working together. The transfer case distributes power between front and rear wheels, while wheel speed sensors monitor individual wheel rotation. Additional components include the steering angle sensor, yaw rate sensor, and the control module that processes all sensor data to manage torque distribution between wheels. The most common causes of the 4x4 warning light in 2025 include faulty wheel speed sensors, especially in vehicles over 5 years old, and wiring harness corrosion affecting rear axle connections. Mechanical failures account for 25% of cases, including transfer case actuator motor problems in high-mileage vehicles, while software and calibration issues make up the remaining 10% of cases. Recent BMW updates include enhanced diagnostics in the iDrive 8.5 system, over-the-air software updates for calibration issues, and improved sensor technology in 2024 and newer models for better durability. The first step in troubleshooting BMW 4x4 warning lights is performing a comprehensive diagnostic scan. This requires either BMW ESTA diagnostic system or an equivalent OBD2 scanner with BMW protocols. The diagnostic scan will reveal specific error codes that pinpoint the exact component causing the 4x4 warning light. Common codes include 5F72 for transfer case actuator faults, 5F30 for wheel speed sensor issues, and 5F36 for general xDrive system malfunctions. After identifying error codes, perform a thorough visual inspection. Check wheel speed sensors for physical damage or debris. Inspect wiring harnesses for corrosion or rodent damage. Examine the transfer case for fluid leaks, and ensure all tires are the same size with similar wear patterns. Component testing requires specific measurements. ABS wheel speed sensors should show resistance between 1,000 and 1,400 ohms, produce varying AC voltage with wheel rotation, and maintain a 0.5 to 2.0 millimeter air gap from the reluctor ring. The transfer case actuator motor should draw 2 to 4 amps during operation, provide smooth position feedback through its potentiometer, and operate without mechanical binding when tested manually. To reset the 4x4 warning light, follow this 4-step process. Clear all fault codes using your diagnostic scanner, perform a comprehensive test drive for at least 10 minutes under various conditions, recalibrate sensors if required by the system, and verify proper operation through diagnostic readiness tests. Preventive maintenance is crucial for avoiding future 4x4 warning lights. Clean and inspect sensors every 15,000 miles, change transfer case fluid every 30,000 miles, and perform complete system diagnostics every 60,000 miles. Always recalibrate sensors after any suspension work.